హై గైస్, నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్. ఈ రోజు వీడియో ఏంటి అంటే ట్రై రేటింగ్లో క్వాలిటీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నా కానీ ట్రై రేటింగ్ అకౌంట్ రిమూవ్ అవుతుంది. రీజన్స్ తెలియదు మీకు. ప్లస్ టెల్లస్లో అకౌంట్స్ రిమూవ్ అవుతున్నాయి, రీజన్ తెలియదు. ప్లస్ మనకి ఏవైతే మీరు ట్రై రేటింగ్లో కంపెనీలో ఏదైతే వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారో కంపెనీస్ అటాచ్ విత్ టెల్లస్, వన్ఫోమా, పెరోప్టిక్స్, ఎవరైతే ఈ 3 ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ నుంచి ట్రై రేటింగ్లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారో వీళ్ళందరికీ నేను ఒక ఒక వీడియో చేద్దామని ఫిక్స్ అయ్యాను. ఎందుకంటే చాలామంది అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 100 మందికి 90 మంది మెసేజ్ పెడుతున్నారు నాకు, బ్రో ట్రై రేటింగ్ అకౌంట్ పోతుంది క్వాలిటీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేసినా కానీ చెప్పి. దట్స్ వై. సో డోంట్ మిస్ దిస్ వీడియో. ఇఫ్ యూ మిస్ దిస్ వీడియో యూ ఫీల్ రిగ్రెట్ లేటర్. దట్స్ వై డోంట్ మిస్ దిస్ వీడియో. ఈవెన్ 10 మంది షేర్ చేయండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ అనమాట ట్రై రేటింగ్లో ఎస్పెషల్లీ. సో ఈరోజు నేను ఒక 3 డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను అనమాట. ఈ 3 డిస్కస్లో ఏంటి అంటే ట్రై రేటింగ్లో క్వాలిటీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నా వర్క్ పోతుంది, నీకు అకౌంట్ పోతుంది అంటే దాని రీజన్ చెప్తా. సెకండ్ వన్, టెల్లస్లో నువ్వు వర్క్ క్వాలిటీ చేసినా క్వాలిటీ చేయకపోయినా అకౌంట్ పోతుంది, ఎందుకో చెప్తా. థర్డ్ థింగ్, అన్ని ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఇవి డేటా ఎలా తీసుకుంటున్నాయని నేను చెప్తా. సో ఈ 3 థింగ్స్ మీరు ప్రాపర్గా ఫాలో అయితే మీరు క్వాలిటీ పక్కన పెట్టండి, వర్క్ మీరు క్వాలిటీ ఎలా ఇస్తారన్నది పక్కన పెడితే ముందు ట్రై రేటింగ్లో మీరు చేసే సిల్లీ మిస్టేక్స్, ఐపీ ఇష్యూస్, విపిఎన్ ఇష్యూస్, అలా ఏవైతే సిల్లీ మిస్టేక్స్ ఉంటాయో అవి రిపీట్ చేయకుండా ఉండడానికి ఈ వీడియో. సో ఇలాంటి వీడియో మీకు ఎక్కడ దొరకదండి, దాంట్లో ఆబ్వియస్లీ 100%. సో మంచి కంటెంట్ మీకు అనిపిస్తే వీడియో చూసిన తర్వాత లైక్ కొట్టి 10 మంది షేర్ చేయండి. నాకు అది చలు నాకు సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ మీకు ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూపిస్తాను ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మీరు ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూస్తే ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ మీకు ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ సమ్ ఇది వన్ ఫార్మా వర్క్, ఇది రిగార్డింగ్ ట్రై రేటింగ్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే ట్రై రేటింగ్ అకౌంట్స్ పోతున్నాయి. సో ఎందుకు, రీజన్ ఏంటి? క్వాలిటీ కాకుండా నార్మల్గా ఐపీ ఇష్యూస్ వచ్చి ఇక్కడ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ యువర్ ఎఫర్ట్ ఇన్ గెటింగ్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ బ్లా 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 బ్లా. ఇక్కడ చూడు, అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ ది క్లయింట్ హ్యాస్ డిటెక్టెడ్ సస్పీషియస్ యాక్టివిటీ అండర్ యువర్ అకౌంట్ ఇన్ ట్రై రేటింగ్. Thus, we have decided to remove you from the project. The reason behind, if you're working in try rating, like whatever the days, I mean, you are working past days, past years, past months, nothing issue. Even if you are working today onwards also, if you do any mistake in try rating, you will get this kind of mail tomorrow. That's why I that's why follow these steps, then secure account. The first one is, whoever is working in try rating, don't use any VPNs. If you use VPNs, that is instant removal from the project. Okay, that is very very important. And I'm telling regarding suspicious, I mean this kind of क्या बोलते हैं, suspicious things only I'm telling. First point. So the first one is VPN issue. And the second one is, if you are keep changing your raters, for example, you are not working in your ID, you are given your ID to someone else, like me or someone else, whoever it is. So you are giving ID to someone else for working as a rental basis. So if the rater is not working, if the rater is not convenient, if the rater is I mean you get between you and the rater some getting some troubles, or like, so you are decided to give someone else. So rater changing, that means IP also changing. For example, you given ID to me and I worked, you feel like I'm not worth, so you are decided to give your ID to someone else, or you are decided to give some share basis issues and all. So you given first to me and I worked in my ID, and you given now you are giving your ID to someone else, the IP is changed. So and also you did your exam qualification and everything in your device na. So almost 3 to 4 IP address you are changing. So in that time also IP changing simultaneously, in that time your ID will be removed. That, no, I mean there is no discussion for that. If you are texting mail, so many mails to the vendor also, nothing use. The once ID is removed, that means permanently your ID is removed. If you send any mails, nothing, no use. So secure your try rating account. This is very very important. IP issue is very very much these days are very very important. So I told you first one, I'm repeating again. The first one is try rating. If you are using VPNs and all, VPNs, proxies, whatever it is, if you are using any suspicious things like that, so your account will be removed. And the second one is, if you change your IP continuously, you don't need to change continuously. You just maintain quality, I mean you just maintain one rater, that's it. Or you can simply learn by yourself and you do. So don't depend on someone else. If you depend someone else, you must keep changing your IP and all, your account will be removed. So first thing is clear. Second one is I will show you one more screenshot from TELUS. This is from one pharma. I mean right now this this screenshot is from one pharma. I am showing another one. Okay, this one is IP issues like IP issues account removing. That's why that's thing. 1 minute is ये देखो no this is not okay this one only okay this one only you can check the message. Dear Bharat Kumar, we regret to inform you that as of today we will be releasing your services from the TLS program due to the low productivity. As you are aware, analysts on the program are required to reach a certain level of participation. So this is from TELUS. Okay, this is from TELUS. The thing is, TELUS is very good. It is very friendly. It is friendly company. As I'm working as a full-time worker, I know that TELUS is very friendly company. So you don't need to lose the opportunity from silly mistake. So this thing will come after you're not. For example, you're not work. You did everything. I mean, you given every onboarding section in the TELUS. So later you're not working. You did try writing exam, you did CSG exam, and everything you did. Then you are not working. So 28 days. If you didn't work up to 28 days, account will remove automatically. Then you will get this kind of mail, right? We regret to inform, and they will give another type of mail also, like as of now we are releasing your services from now. I will show you one screenshot here in that video. You will get it. So this kind of message you will get, then account will remove. So the reason, if you didn't work up to 28 days, even 1 hour, you must do 1 hour, then I it won't remove. So if you didn't done after exam, you didn't done any work, na account will remove. You get this kind of mail, and they will give every 1 week or every 2 days. They will give they will I mean they will give warning mails. So they will inform you every time you are not working in try rating. Please log in and do at least some hours, like that only. You go see. I am showing another screenshot. Yeah, they go. Some we hope this finds you well. We noticed 4 weeks you have lapsed since you last week on the program and the event. This kind of mail you will get. That means you're not working. So past 4 weeks you are not working. That's why we are going to remove your ID later. So they will give this kind of warning mails. So your try rating account will be automatically suspended after 5 weeks. You will be required to complete a survey in order to recommend rating task. That means you must do one task in that particular time. After 28 days, automatically 24 days, 28 days, nothing but 5 weeks. So automatically account will remove. That's why. So whoever is doing this kind of works, you must do accordingly. I mean, at least spend 1 hour weekly or do daily or monthly. Nothing issue, but you must spend. So whoever is doing these kind of things, very very important. These two things very very important. The third thing is, some people giving your mail to the Peroptic same and tell us same and one pharma as well. So if you give same mail to the three platforms, it won't. I mean, three. If you are already working in one platform and you are going to apply another two platforms with the same mail, so in that time, I mean, the application will be cancelled. Even the exam, even you don't get exam also. Like you need to do your exam in try rating, you need to work in same try rating website. So regarding, I mean, they're given some special roles, data analyst, some kind of roles you must work in try rating only. So I like so text response editor, SBS or core satisfaction, this kind of, I mean, data analyst maps. So these kind of things roles must be work in try rating only. So for that type, for that, I mean, for that time, you must change mails. You have to change the mails. Like for example, one form you have to give one mail, and the Paraptex you have to give another mail, and the TELUS also you have to give another mail. In that time you will get three applications will approve definitely. So this is a major issue, like whoever is coming these days applying these things from all. So this kind of issue getting there, even they don't understand like why our applications are cancelled. So this is very very important. These three things are very very important. I mean, don't miss this video completely. Watch, you can use completely. That's why I'm using English language as well. So that's why try rating is very very important, because try rating we get multiple works, and the try rating is very very good platform. So it is very friendly working website. So don't lose this any opportunity for silly mistakes. Yeah. today this is the only topic out, in this video. So hope maybe you will get completely regarding what is try rating and all. And also you must need to, I mean, you know, the silly mistakes what you did before and all, so you must realize the mistakes, so then you can correct it as well. And yeah, happy working. Thanks, bye bye.